Hello friends, I have finished my 2 lines of the DC stitch. Here I am joining it with slip stitch, and then I am starting the crown of this headband. You insert, wrap your yarn or 2 times over your hook, and you skip the 2 stitches. 1, 2. You go to the third stitch and make 1 treble crochet, and you repeat it 4 more times in the same stitch. Two, 3 more times. One more times. One, two, three, four, 5. 5 treble crochet in the same stitch, and make 1, 2, 3 chain, and go to the third chain from your hook and make 1 single crochet, and make or wrap your yarn over your hook in 2 times, and insert your hook in the same stitch and make treble crochet. 1 treble crochet I have made, and 4 more treble crochet in the same stitch. Three, 4, and last one 5 treble crochet, and this is the first cell stitch, and then you skip the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and go to the third stitch and make 1 single crochet, and then you skip the next 2 stitches and go to the third stitch with treble crochet. Wrap your yarn over your hook in 2 times, and you skip the next 2 stitches, go to the third stitch and make treble crochet. You make 4 more treble crochet in the same stitch. You repeat this pattern in this round. 5 treble crochet, 1 picot, 3 chain, go to the third chain from your hook and make 1 single crochet. This is called picot, and then you make 5 treble crochet in the same stitch. And you repeat the same pattern in this round.